Now to Benton County, flooding in Philomath is forcing drivers to reroute as they try to get around. As KZI 9 News reporter Chinu Her shows us, residents say they're cautious but not concerned.
There's water all over the road here near Chapel Drive in Philomath, and it's not just in the road, but also in people's yards like this. And residents tell me they're actually not that worried about it because this happens every year.
This is the first place that it floods from the Marys River.
It didn't take long for Chapel Drive in Philomath to look like this, right in front of Beverly Lonsway's home.
We're used to it, yeah.
Even with these conditions, her antique shop is still open for business.
Nobody comes.
Her driveway used more as a turnaround for drivers after seeing high water signs along the street.
There is a very big ditch right there.
Water flowing over the road and even pouring into people's yards.
Sometimes we'll see 2 big floods in a year. Sometimes there's no floods at all. But a lot of times we'll get these little minor floods.
A lot of time in Lonsway's case is over 40 years of these floods. So she knows when there's a big one, and this one didn't quite compare, although it forced some residents to reroute.
When it is a big flood, people do not drive through it. It would be they would be very foolish to drive through it. They would get stuck.
And after all those years, she says the only difference is how they keep an eye on the waters. The rest, it comes and goes like expected.
We have the computer that you can go on and see how high the river is going. So that's a new thing for us. It used to be we would just, sometimes we'd stay up during the night when it was rising to see how high it was going to get. But we prepare for it, and after all these years, we're very used to it.
Although there's water flowing through people's yards like this, they expect it to go down within the next couple of days. In Philomath, Chinu Her, KZI 9 News.